Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MGTRX Earning. Today I will introduce a new website which name is Drone Era. This type interface on your phone. First of all, you need to add your username and enter your password, enter your mobile number, enter your email address, and this is my recommendation code. After fill this form, simply click on this register button. After fill this form, simply this type interface on your phone. Register and receive 68,000 TRX. The minimum deposit to activate the mining machine is 10 TRX and the minimum withdraw is 5 TRX. The daily income received can be retained or withdraw. You can see this and you can read this. Simply click on this close button and here you can see deposit button and you can see withdrawal button, share friends, team app download. You can check this information and here you can see wallet and promotion of account and you can read this cycle investing 3 days cycle, 15 days cycle, 30 days cycle, 65 days cycle, and you can read this when to be a Drone Era millionaire details and you can see this and you can see profit withdrawal global partners and Bajirax, CoinDCX, OKX, Bitmain, and simply you can read this. And now I will show you investment cycle and you can see BI current level and deposit TRX invitation reward deposit. Now level 1 deposit quantity 10 to 2000 TRX, daily income 8.9 to 9%, daily withdrawal 8.9 to 9%, VIP 2 deposit quantity 2001 to 10,000 TRX, daily income 10.1% and VIP 3 deposit quantity 10,001 to 30,000 TRX, VIP 4 deposit quantity 30,000 to 60,000 TRX, VIP 5 deposit quantity 60,000 to 1 lakh TRX, and VIP 6 deposit quantity 1 lakh 1 to 3 lakh TRX, and daily income 17.9 to 18.2%, and VIP 7 deposit quantity 3 lakh to 6 lakh TRX, VIP 8 deposit quantity 6 lakhs 1 to 10 lakh TRX, and you can see VIP 10 deposit quantity 5 lakh and above, and you can see invitation reward. Simply click on this and you can see level 1 14%, level 2 2%. You can check invites and you can see rank 1 5 maximum reward, and you can see cycle investing. Simply click on this 3 days cycle investment, 15 days, 30 days, 65 days, 90 days, 120 days, and you can check your record. And here you can see share friends button and copy this link and share with your friend, and this is my invitation code. Now I will show you how to deposit in this website. Simply click on this deposit button and click on this transfer to account, smart account, and select TRX. I want to deposit TRX and copy this address. After copy the address, come on your after enter your password, you can see broadcasting and my payment is in processing. Simply click on this done button and you can see my payment successful. After payment successful, simply click on this submit successfully button and you can see my new balance 68,060 TRX, and here you can see deposit button, withdrawal button, team wallet conversion, and you can see change password, share password, notification app, and logout button, and your daily income should show here, and time Singapore time 17.18, and you can see current yield 8.9 to 9.1%, minor is running, and you can see investment. Simply you can check your record. I have successfully deposited 60 TRS, valid period 180 days, remaining 180 days. Now I will show you how to withdraw your amount. Simply click on this withdrawal button and you can see need traded and already traded and minimum withdraw. You can check 5 TRX. Now I will show you how to add your withdrawal account. Simply click on this and click on this add digital currency wallet and enter your wallet address, enter your password, confirm your password, and simply click on this confirm button. After enter your wallet address and enter your password and confirm your password, simply click on this continue button and you will get your address successfully added, and you can see my withdrawal method added successfully. Now you can withdraw your amount. Simply click on the digital currency wallet, enter your amount and enter your password, and you can withdraw your money. Simply you can withdraw your money. Now I will show you how to check your team. Simply click on this team button, and you can see your team UID and number of teams, and you can see valid number of invite team cycle, level 1 level 2 team details, and you can check your wallet fund conversion. You can convert your promotion account to basic account balance amount to be enter your amount, and you can convert your promotion account to basic account. And here you can see customer care service button, and you can contact this anytime. And here you can change your password, and you can share with your friend. Copy this link and share with your friend. You can share with Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. Thank you for watching this video.